Good day, everyone.
I am Anthony D. Casicas.
I'm Castillo Hinar Jr.
I am Kate Navel Cadlawon.
I am Blasmy Imboy.
And I am Janjuvil Tumulak.
And
Our research study is all about Smart Solar Grass Cutter Robot.
Background and rationale. Manual grass cutter. Manual grass cutter equipment or tools, which is what we call grass cutter scissors or grass cutting shear. Second, manual grass cutting procedure. Gardeners use grass cutter shears to cut trim grass edges in order to ensure that the grass is uniform in height. Lawn mowers. Lawn mowers is a type of engine motor which is convenient but needs also a bodywork to guide it continuously. Negative effects of motor engine. This engine motor creates air pollution due to the engine combustion, and also it creates noise pollution because of the noise of engine. Injuries. This motor-powered engine is more risky than grass-cutting scissors. Many gardeners are suffers from injuries includes deep cuts, loose fingers, body burns, electric shocks, and even eye injuries. And the new innovation technology. Researchers innovates a brilliant smart solar grass cutter robot that acts an inventive part for a monotonous work. Positive effects of grass cutter innovation. The positive effects of the innovation is that it can work on its own because it has a program to cut all grasses based of which height will be left, unlike to a manual grass cutting equipment that needs strength to cut down the grasses. And then the last one is the importance of new innovation. The importance of new innovation is to give convenient works to whoever wanted to save time and prevent injuries. Saving time from other activities to be done is the best choice to make it successful.
I will be discussing about problem of the statement. This research attempt to build and design a smart solar grass cutter robot by the use of solar energy. More specifically, it seeks to find the answer to the following questions. First, what design boundaries should be considered to design a smart solar grass cutter? Second, what control boundaries should be used to perform the program motion of the smart solar grass cutter? Third, what evaluation boundaries should be considered in order to measure the performance of the smart solar grass cutter?
I will be discussing objectives of the study. These researchers' objectives of this project development aim. First, to design and develop a smart solar grass cutter. Second, to implement a smart solar grass cutter that utilizes Arduino-based microcontroller in accordance to establish the control boundaries. Third, to evaluate the performance of a smart solar grass cutter utilizing Arduino-based microcontroller and to test its reliability.
The conceptual framework. The IPO model will provide the general structures and guide. First is I input, second is P process, and third is O output. First is input. Electronics devices and simulation, electronics 1 and 2. Second is related literatures and theories. Third is knowledge on programming, language and electronics component. Lastly is materials and component. Second is process. First is modeling, analysis and design. Second is design and assemble of the component for the smart solar grass cutter. Third is coding and testing of the programming. Third is output, the smart solar grass cutter robot. The process and output is evaluation.
I will be discussing the review-related literature. In this part, the researchers attempt to review facts and information of various articles, books, professional journals, and other publications with an aim of listing the relevant variables for the present study and finding out the existing gap in the knowledge on aptitude, intelligence, and abilities of the researchers. Experimental study of solar grass cutter robot. Based on the study of Chaudhary, where he found various studies, and the most patent found was by Nelson, which is automated grass cutter. Solar is placed above the grass cutter. Solar energy is used to run the grass cutter. Solar panels, batteries, DC motor, solar charger, circuitry, and blades are the components used for preparing grass cutter. Journal of Mechanical Engineering Research. Based on the study published as a journal by ELCA Asia Pacific Journal, it discussed the two primary types of mowers. Compare the two types of mowers and their capabilities, also to know their similarities and difference. It discussed how a land mower works. Design and implementation of automated land mower cutter. Develop autonomous land mower robot. Contains microcontroller like Atmega, multiple sensors, liquid crystal display or LCD, and keyboard. Design and implementation of automated land mower cutter. Develop autonomous land mower robot. Contains microcontroller like Atmega, multiple sensors, liquid crystal display or LCD, and keyboard.